All right, hey folks. So the inside of the trim is starting to come on. I got this from UK Auto Art over there. These are Bearmachs, all black for Puma. These glass pieces are about to come out, and then I'm going to replace it with the full sliding panoramic glass from a Side 4x4, which will have the sliding window on this side. But I'm going to do all the work that I need to do to torque anything that I have to torque before putting on that glass. I don't want that to explode on me, so I will be doing the cutouts here and putting in the YRM adapter so I can put the forward facing seats. Found the trim retainers that I needed for there. The screws that I used to attach those handles up there, which I was missing one, I just went to go buy, are number 12 by 3/4 inch long, stainless, just at your big box store, easy to find. There they are. Now I put in this trim here. Finally got it in. It's nice and firm, but I didn't really know how to do it up until just a moment ago, because what I did was this piece here that comes in there, I didn't know how it was gonna stay on. And so I saw that I had these tabs here, and I had purchased the clips, which are these, the BTR 6682 from Bearmach. They come in a quantity of 5, just in case you mess one up. Here they are, these little pieces. Now I couldn't figure out which way to put them in. So here, this is how they go. They go in there, so they will stay attached to this piece, and then this piece will clip on to here when you put them on. So what I found was that this plastic here is a little too thick, and I didn't want to press down too much on there and break these plastic welds. So I'm going to open these up a little bit. The way I'm doing that is I'm getting my panel popper, and I'm going to put it in there. And then I'm going to push out while holding this part with my other hand. I can't do that and show you at the same time, so let me get that done first. Okay, so I opened up this one, just gave it a little bit more space as compared to the way they come, which is pretty tight. So I'll go ahead and install this one here first. Push it in. There you go. Get this side done. So I went ahead and pressed that one in. Now I got to do the same thing to this one. I got to open it up a little bit. All right, so when I went to open this one up, I cracked it. Let's see if you can hear it. There's a little crack right there. Let's see if you can see it. Well, it might not be able to see, but there's a little crack right there. I guess that's why they come with 5, because you're bound to do that to one of them. Okay, I opened it up just a little there. Let's see if it presses in. There you go. Okay, it's in. There you are. Both of them in. All right. Let's see if while I'm recording, it's just as easy as the last one. Oh, and by the way, you definitely want to cut off all the excess plastic here. Let me show you how I did it. I grabbed the soldering iron, plugged it in, and just slowly but surely, just ran it. Let me get a little closer there. Just ran it down and across, and then the part that was hot, I did this with this outside, of course, and then you can just use a razor blade and cut off the remnant, so you don't put any stress on the plastic by sanding it down or shaving it, or using a blade to just cut it off. Puts a lot of stress on the plastic and you might crack it. I did the same thing in order to get these cutouts, in order to get around. Now, it might not look real pretty, but it'll be nice once I'm done with it. And one other thing that I saw that might be helpful to y'all is, you see how the trim is nice right here? Well, right here I had to do quite a bit of cutting. Let's see. Because this edge right here was resting on the top of the capping here on the inside. So I had to shave off the lip of the plastic so that it would rest closer this way. And now this is a hole that goes on a small little hi-hat that gets bolted to the inside of the roof side, where it attaches to the body, to the tub. And I still have to find that part, so that then I'll have something to actually push in there. So if anybody knows where I can get that piece, let me know. It only comes on Pumas. All right, so back to here. Let's see. All right, that's in. All right, that's in. Well, there you go. Look at that. Sweet. No, seatbelts already in there. Thank you very much, Steven, over at Safari HD for the seatbelts. Got that squared away. It's coming together. It's really coming together. I dropped the ceiling to make sure that I had plenty of Dynamat and heat and sound insulation up there, which I did. And I added a second layer of Dynamat and a layer of Nico right in here. I put in this piece right here that it was missing. So now this is pretty good. Nice. It's starting to look like a car, not like a farm truck. All right. I'll catch you on the next one. I got to do some rib nuts over there now. Be well. And just an update, if you can't get these trims in, or if you break the inside tabs that are inside of it for any reason, you can go ahead and just drill a hole here, and drill another hole here, just like a lot of the OEM ones were before the Pumas, and then just put in a tab. There's a whole strip of metal that goes all the way down here, and same thing on the other side. Just get yourself your favorite trim tab, something like this. You know, it's not going to look bad. You can have one tab here, one tab there, and it'll all be held together. And then you just pop these out, and that's it. Because sometimes when you pull these out, those tabs that are on the inside of the plastic, that are plastic welded to the inside of these trims, of these quarter window trims, might break. And if they do, but the whole piece is still intact, then just drill, and then you'll be able to put one in, and whenever you have to take it out, you just use a trim tab puller and pop it out, pop out the retainers, and you're good to go. And you can always replace them, and you're never gonna have a problem there. Just get yourself one of these kits. All right.